The 55-year-old was riding his motorcycle along Queensway Road in April 2021 when then 26-year-old Julian Ellul turned across his path, causing a collision. The motorcyclist died 2 days later. The following year, Mr. Ellul pleaded guilty to causing death by dangerous driving and was sentenced to 4 years in prison, although this was later reduced on appeal. During his hearing, defence lawyer Chris Finch argued there had been serious shortcomings in the medical care the motorcyclist received while at St Bernard's Hospital. A civil claim subsequently brought by his estate alleged failures by doctors to recognise and treat internal bleeding despite warning signs. It also alleged delays and shortcomings in the management of his deteriorating condition. The court documents state that, had the GHA not been negligent, the man would have survived the internal bleeding. A subsequent inquest, almost 4 years after the accident, concluded the man's death was a direct consequence of the injuries sustained in the road traffic collision, contributed to by a delay in recognising the intra-abdominal hemorrhage. Coroner Charles Bonfante also made a number of recommendations aimed at improving trauma care at the GHA. The civil proceedings have now concluded. Court documents show liability was agreed at 60% for Mr. Ellul and 40% for the Gibraltar Health Authority, with the man's estate to receive £300,000 in full and final settlement of the claim. The defendants were also ordered to pay £125,000 towards the claimant's legal costs. The court order also states the defendants are jointly liable. This means the full settlement can, if necessary, be recovered from either defendant, with any issues over their respective shares to be resolved between the defendants themselves.